I am at day one of my new series called Nature. This is the nature therapy walk, which we can walk around and smell the fruits. For example, we have the papaya, and the fruits are still green. And then we have this tree called drumstick tree, which is a very interesting name, but there's no drumstick. And then we have this banana, and unfortunately there's no banana in wood here, but we have one. So usually monkeys like to come here, but here we don't see any monkeys here, except this monkey talking to you. We have yes, what does it look like to you? Are they sugarcane? Are they elephant grass? I'll leave it to you to guess. So over to you. What do you think these plants are? I'll sign off for now. Thank you very much. Bye.